Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make left and right sound the same. Let's get started. First, open your Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on New Project, select any video you want to edit. Tap on Import. Once you are on your timeline, select the audio clip. At the bottom toolbar, swipe left or right until you find audio or sound wave icon. Tap on it. If you don't see it, Filmora Mobile does not show advanced audio controls like balance or pan for certain clips, especially if the audio is the part of the main video track. Right now, the app might not have a built-in way to flex left-right balance directly, but you can use external audio like editing apps or record mono audio or update Filmora or use another app. If you don't want to use extra app, a quick fix is to play your video on different device and see if the audio sound okay. Sometimes the issue is with your headphones or speaker, not the video. So while Filmora Mobile might not always let you fix light left sound balance directly, this will help you to get a perfect audio. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.